too much computer memory. Now, Microsoft will launch its successor, Windows 7, tomorrow. It's supposed to be faster and slicker, but it faces competition from Apple and Google, who increasingly see power moving from physical machines to the virtual world of the internet, a concept known as cloud computing. Here's our technology correspondent, Benjamin Cohen.
After years of domination, the outlook for Microsoft has been rather stormy of late, a company under pressure in a fast-changing environment. But now it's hoping a new operating system launched today will mean a brighter future. Windows 7 is likely to be installed on 14 million computers in the UK alone this year. And Microsoft is promising a big improvement on its widely criticised predecessor, Windows Vista.
I think the journey of the last 2 or 3 years has been Microsoft listening and listening and listening and making sure that Windows 7 addressed all of those issues, like just make my computer really quick to switch on and off, make it reliable, make it fast, make the battery life a lot longer, and we've addressed all of those consumer issues.
Windows 7 is supposed to be easier to control, has better multimedia functions and is compatible with touchscreens. Analysts agree with Microsoft's claims.
To many users, it won't look a huge amount different to Vista, but a lot of the improvements are small touches under the surface that really do make it a lot faster.
Microsoft certainly needs Windows 7 to be a big success. Although more than 9 out of 10 PCs use its Windows system, the company has been battered by competition and the recession. Its share price has tumbled, and April to June's profits were down almost a third on the same period last year. And for the first time in its history, the company has made mass redundancies, shedding 5,000 jobs. Previous Microsoft launches were big and important affairs, but now the company faces a new challenge from up in the cloud. Traditionally, its highly profitable applications like Word and Outlook have been stored on actual PCs. But now, using so-called cloud computing, applications and storage take place on computer servers accessed through a web browser, which means application and data can be accessed from any computer in the world. Google this week launched a high-profile ad campaign promoting the millions of companies that have switched to their cloud services. Here at the University of Westminster, they used to use Microsoft applications installed on university PCs and servers. Now students access their email and documents via a Google application, saving the university £1 million a year. And that once traditional of all newspapers, the Daily Telegraph, has largely given up use of Microsoft systems and moved over to cloud applications where staff can edit documents together and hold meetings via the net.
The cost savings achieved through the move were significant. I think the bigger thing, though, is when you put web-based technologies in place, it enables different ways of working and benefits around collaboration of how people work together. And those are where the bigger financial savings come in.
Although not everyone's convinced about the power of the cloud, Microsoft is likely to launch similar services shortly. While Windows 7 will face strong competition, Apple is believed to be unveiling a rival tablet PC, and Google will imminently launch an operating system, which will be free.
Benjamin Cohen reporting. After the break,